What's up, YouTube? So we finna do something. We finna review something. It's a little difficult. So we finna review something. It's a new person with me. We just had to put them up.
There's nothing behind us.
Okay, you ready? Set, slide! Today we're gonna be doing a
Slide.
no. Today we're gonna do a video. Don't say nothing. Video. That's gonna be our new channel intro. We was like, today we're gonna be doing another video. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's why it works for me. So I have to go put the camera somewhere else while we can get up the space, please. Go right there, Kendra.
Okay. Oh, my hair, guys.
Okay, so guys,
Hair,
okay, we're gonna be doing a test. Who can do the best thing? So I have some more glue left, but I'm not gonna use it. Kendra,
We gonna use it tomorrow.
I feel like gonna make me some slime.
No.
I know how to say no. Okay, so.
It's her slimy, but I say no.
Because I don't want to make them. Guys,
Are we supposed to make
guys, watch this.
Are we supposed to make it tomorrow?
Guys, watch this. Better head out on the double. Oh,
That was loud.
it was. I was again.
I always use that. Timmy, you remember when I bumped my head on it?
I can do it now. Watch this, y'all. I was again. I was number. What you thinking? I can't do that.
I've been doing it. I've been on how to do that.
So the first test is the poke test. So round one. So I'm gonna show y'all how I poke glass. Y'all gotta like round go
Two.
kill one. Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! No!
I got my moose.
A moose.
A moose.
No, you said I got my moose. Y'all heard that? She said it.
A moose.
She said it again, Kendra.
A moose. A moose.
She got her the moose. Ooh. So y'all, okay, bye y'all. We just wanted to show y'all both eyes slide.
But we didn't do the bubble.
Cause my camera is gonna go there.
I just did my bubble.
Okay. Look into my slide.
Oh my gosh. You get into my claps.
See how we not arguing in this video? We just did it. So, Kendra, let's do our intro. Bye!